We're going to continue solving problems using elimination. We're looking at word problems right now. And for letter C, it says Zane has 20 dimes and quarters. So we're going to call X number of dimes. And we're going to call Y number of quarters. So he adds up how much he has. Oh, I forgot the first part. Zane has 20 dimes and quarters. So X plus Y equals 20. Then he adds up how much he has, and it totals $2.90. Well, we know that a dime is 10 cents, and we know that a quarter is 25 cents. And that's $2.90. Now, the problem with this equation is we have decimals. So what we want to do is we want to get rid of the decimals. In order to get rid of the decimals, what we do is we multiply everything by 100. And when we multiply it by 100, it gets rid of the decimal. So what we have is 10x plus 25y equals 290. Now remember, we need opposites. So in order to create opposites, I'm going to multiply this one by -10. When I multiply it by -10, I get negative 10x. Notice I have opposites. I get negative 10y equals negative 200. This becomes 0. What I get is 15y equals 90. So I'm going to divide each side by 15. So y is equal to 6. Remember, I'm going to pick one of the equations. The first one definitely looks easier. So I'm going to take the 6, and I'm going to plug it into the y in the other equation. So I have x plus 6 equals 20. Solving for x, what I'm going to do is subtract the 6, and x is equal to 14. So that means that there are 14 dimes, and there are 6 quarters. Now, looking at our last problem, what we have are turkeys and pigs. So I'm going to call X number of turkeys, and I'm going to call Y number of pigs. So there are 32 turkeys and pigs. So X plus Y equals 32. This one's a little tricky. It says there are 104 legs. Well, you have to know that a turkey has 2 legs, so 2x. A pig has 4 legs, so we say 4y. That's equal to 104. Once again, in order to solve this, what we need are opposites. So I'm going to multiply this top equation by -2. And what I get is -2x minus 2y equals -64. Opposites add up to 0. 2y equals 104 minus 64 is 40. I divide it by 2, and y is equal to 20. I have to pick one of the equations. I definitely think the top equation is a little bit easier. So I'm going to take this and plug it in for the y. So x plus 20 is equal to 32. I subtract by 20. So x is equal to 12. So that means that there are 12 turkeys and there are 20 pigs.